warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Maesa Arsy. One day there was a bird and arms talking. Bird, what are you doing up there in the chair? This is my place. What about you, arms? I got swept away in the river and got stuck on this leaf. Sorry, I can't help you. It's okay. It seems my life will end here. Thanks for listening. See you next time, guys. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.